Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have prepared the very delicious crispy fish fillet recipe. This is the recipe I am talking about. You can see, so it looks very good. You can same in restaurant style I have prepared, and I am having with ketchup or mayonnaise you can have. Honestly guys, the taste was amazing and very crunchy, and inside it's very soft and juicy. I really love this recipe. So if you are a sea lover, if you want to try something crunchiness from the seafood, this recipe is very best. Even if you are beginner, you can prepare this recipe in a simple and easy way. This I have prepared in the air fryer, oilless, but you can don't worry, you can able to prepare in oil frying also. It's very, the taste wise it's almost similar and very good. I tried it, but really guys, this is amazing. You must try this. I will show you how to prepare this simple, easy, crispy filler recipe in a step by step process. Let me start. Come on. I have taken a tilapia fish filler. So right now I'm going to cut it in middle. We have to give proper shape to that. So just I'm cutting it in middle. I'm cutting it. Okay. So let me give shape. So you can give in cube shape. So instead of cut in proper cube shape, so should be like that, should be like cube shape. Okay, let me cut. In a bowl I'm taking egg, 1 egg I have taken. I'm adding pepper, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt. I'm adding red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of all purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of corn I'm adding. Now I'm mixing everything all together properly. Now I'm adding fish fillers. Mix it well. Now I am taking breadcrumbs. Now I am coating this fish fillers properly. Little bit you have to press so that it should coat breadcrumbs properly. If you want to do double coating also, that's good. We can do double coating. Now I am doing oil spray. Just I am doing oil spray everywhere. Now I am keeping the in air fryer and selecting the fish here. So it's taking 160 degrees Celsius with 23 time duration. So it's done now. You can see it's very properly cooked, and you can see the color so crispy it looks.